If it ain't one damn thing, it's another. Yep. Did I make it? Nope. Did I break it? Yep. Here you go. Check it out. Pipe fucking blew out. Whoops, I gotta fix it. Looks like a little welding. No biggie. Blew a whole big old chunk out the pipe. Whoops. Oh well. Everything else is good. That's it, guys. Fun with riding vintage stuff. You never know what's gonna break. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Throw a comment down in there. Let me know what you think. I really appreciate you guys watching this all the way through. And I'll see you in the next one. We got a Banshee build and quite a few other things going on. So stay tuned.